Okay, good morning everybody. Para lang dun sa mga nako-confuse, anong mangyayari sa April, no? This is a timeless reading na gagawin natin for those who need guidance. So, kung anong oras man, kailan nyo man ito maabutan, this is not about zodiac signs. This is the answer of anong mangyayari in the signs of times ngayon. Okay? So, for those also who are asking na magre-reading tayo, PM me properly or text me, no? Nasa Facebook page ko naman yung cellphone number ko. Okay? So, let's go on and proceed kasi mababa na lang yung battery ko. Okay? So, let's go. It's time for us to reflect kung tayo ay mabibigyan pa ng, let's say, 20, 25 years more or 30 or more than that to live. Ang next natin na chapter of our lives ay guguguli natin sa anong mga importanteng bagay. Okay? We have been focusing so much on so many things, no? Na kailangan natin siyang bigyan ng mas focus na we're not just wasting our hours, our time, and our soul's learnings is not just yung nasasayang lang. Okay? Maraming magpapanggap na sila ay mga niluluklokan ng Diyos. Sila ay mga kung ano-anong sasabihin. Wala akong kalaban na tao dito. I'm just trying to make you be aware. In the end of times, or hindi ko naman sasabing end of the world ito. This is just a realignment, restructuring, awakening sa mga tao. So, if ikaw ang Diyos, luluklok ka sa tao, why? Do you need to do that to perform? Bakit mo kailangan ang spirito, kaluluwa, at katawan ng isang tao para ikaw ay magmilagro? Anong kulang sa'yo? Diyos ka nga, diba? Hindi na kailangan isang awaken katulad ko ang magsabi niyan. Utak nyo na ang mag-isip niyan. No? Kaya kayo naluloko kasi ang dali-dali nyong ilaron ba? No? Dali-dali nyong lokohin. So please, here's the second card. Okay. This is victory. This is half happiness, half sadness. May mawawala. Especially Philippines. May mawawala na akala natin problema pero meron pa palang complications na mangyayari. Pag nawala pala siya, there will be chaos, there will be division of emotions, at dalawa ang nakikita kong mawawala. Okay? Sa taon na to. I don't wanna say months, but I'm just gonna say it's very near. No? Meron siyang kilala or alam natin na ito yung sakit niya, but it's not going to happen that way. No, it's gonna be a sudden heart attack. This could be complication of medications, this could be stress and a lot of things, no, na nag-organ malfunction. So, again, may matutuwa, may malulungkot. Madi-divide na naman ang emosyon at ang happiness and sadness ng Pilipino all over the world. Okay? So this is a time for unity. No? Sana tanggapin natin ang mga pangyayari and let's be strong in facing reality. Okay? May uupo. May uupo. Sad to say, may magpipilit na bata pa siya na umupo. So it's going to be a very controversial na So let's be very vigilant about this. Kasi yung inisip natin nandito yung kalaban. Pero andito pala siya. No? He could be younger than you expect. Their next leader, babae. She's the Queen of Wands. So, matapang. May magkakagusto sa pamamalakad niya, may hindi. May makakaintindi, may hindi. Still, divided pa rin ang nation. No? Unity will only come by majority but not 100% from everybody. So, yun ang kailangan natin pag-isipan kahit sa family natin, sa mga ginagawa natin ngayon, decision making. What is happening around the world? Ano ba ang kulang sa atin? What can we do to contribute? No? Okay. Last card is telling us more of mental health, illness, infection, no? Mga sakit na dala ng respiratory, no? Polluted ang hangin, polluted ang tubig, infected ang food, kulang sa sustansya. We will be eating a lot of canned goods and unhealthy foods. And yeah, maraming nag-a-advise, store food, do this, do that, but kung magkakaroon ng takbuhan dito, takbuhan doon, only those who stay put will be able to enjoy yung mga iniimbak nyo. Yung mga nasa takbo, kailangan tumakbo, especially those who are in a city wherein maaring magkaroon ng kaguluhan. Hindi nyo rin mapapakinabangan yan. Okay? So, the best way is to just calm down. Calm down, focus. Try to find solutions, trying to think positively how you're going to solve your problems. Kung maaari, ito yung time ng unity, hindi pagkawatak-watak ng mga pamilya. So, oo, malaki ang offer sa atin sa ibang bansa. Pero kung magkakagulo-gulo na rin lang, it's best to be together as family, no? Oneness, unity, peace, harmony. Isang tabi mo na ang mga bagay-bagay. Okay? It's best to know what will happen. It's best to know what is to come. Then, ma-surprise kayo. At least, may choice kayo. Alam niyong mangyayari, maghahanda ka ba o hindi. Okay? The last card. This is reading for sign of times, ha. Hindi ito love life, hindi ito financial, hindi ito sign of times. So, tindihin na lang natin. Okay. The Fool. Na? So, marami ang information, maraming maguguluhan, maraming magkakaroon ng mental illness, maraming magkakaroon ng stress, anxiety, there will be a lot of crimes, init ng ulo, tuloy-tuloy ang mga sunog dito, sunog doon. And as I've said, ingatan natin kasi yung nakikita natin, gasolina, pera, pagkain na magiging shortage. Totoo naman. Pero, let's look at the water supply ng ating bansa din. Kasi nakikita ko, paunti ng paunti din ito. Kasi painit ng painit ang panahon. In April up to May, magkakaroon tayo ng init ng panahon na hindi pa na-record natin. So, brace yourself for this. Mag-imbak din ng tubig kasi minsan yun din ang kailangan. Okay? Those who availed the activation of the water energy nung nag-ritual tayo nung 25, ngayong gabi, bago mag-12 midnight, so 11 pwede na, maglagay kayo ng isang bowl ng, yung clear na bowl lang, no, crystal, lagyan nyo ng tubig, konting asin, iwan nyo magdamag sa hapagkainan. So, where you eat, dining table, kung saan kayo kumakain. Kailangan yung hapagkainan, walang pera, walang kung ano-anong obstructions na nandyan. Malinis ang lamesa, ha. Tapos ilalagay nyo yun hanggang bukas. This will soften the fire energy na umaatake sa atin personally. And this will elevate kung ano man yung mga negatibong tatama sa atin, i-absorb ng water. So, I hope you were able to avail of that para tuloy-tuloy yung benefits ng water activation. Kasi water activation ang kailangan natin to tone down the fire, the war, lahat ng chaos, lahat ng struggles, financial struggle, emotional, lahat yan. Okay? So, water activation talaga ang solusyon dyan. So, we will use the water energy to calm everything down. Thank you.